Alright guys, so in today's video, I purchased an Earthquake Extreme battery impact from Harbor Freight, and this thing is rated for 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. It's a 1/2-inch drive gun with a 20-volt lithium battery. It does come with one battery, according to the thing back here. It also comes with a battery charger. So we are going to go ahead and unbox this and see what's in store for us. So to get started with, comes in this cardboard box here, and inside of it looks like a plastic box with a zip tie around it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this cardboard part off and expose the plastic box underneath of it. So this is that same plastic box inside of this cardboard box here. There's nothing else inside of this cardboard box here. It's just an empty box now. So we're going to go ahead and open this plastic box here. Got these two tabs here that kind of lock down. I think it's supposed to be kept inside of the box when not used. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the zip tie and open it up, see what we got inside. Inside of the zip tie delete on the box, I'm going to go ahead and start with this latch here. And let's see. Looks like it comes with an owner's manual here. You don't need that owner's manual though. What we're after is this battery charger, the battery, and the impact wrench itself. So I bought the extended drive 1/2-inch impact instead of the regular one. My local Harbor Freight did not have the regular impact wrench in stock, but they did have this one, so I bought this. It's the same rating as the other one, but it just has the longer neck than the other one does. So we're going to go ahead and pull this thing out of the box here and take a look at it. So this thing's pretty heavy and to hold in my hand. It's got back up there. Trigger feels pretty good. And forward there. Got some kind of warning thing on this side. You don't need to worry about that. So that's the gun. And now we got our 20-volt lithium battery here. Looks like a pretty well-built battery, well put together. And we also have our charger here. This looks like it's a really nice charger. As you guys can see right there, plugs in your wall. So I'm going to go ahead and slip that right there, and we'll see if that battery's even charged up enough. Yeah, it looks like it actually has some charge to it, so it looks like we could just use it right now. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. That's forward. That's reverse. This is actually my very first battery impact wrench that I've bought. So I'm more familiar with the air impact wrenches per se, and I currently prefer those. But I'm going to give this impact wrench a try at work while helping my friends out and whatnot, and here at home as well. See if I like it at all. So I actually bought this impact wrench for a project that I'm about to work on, although I'm going to use it for even more things than just that. It's a 2000 Dodge Ram, and we're going to take the gas tank off of it with this impact wrench. So you'll probably get to see the video of that pretty soon. You'll also get to see the truck in a video that's coming up very soon. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.